Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Former Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC, Chief Timi Alaibe, last week marked his 60th birthday in Lagos, where family and friends converged to celebrate with him. The occasion of Chief Alaibe's Diamond Jubilee celebration was graced by many who describe him as an icon of the Niger Delta.
He is the pride of the Niger Delta. He's one of the people that we look up to and that we hope will provide leadership and direction for the youth. He has done this consistently, and I pray that he never stops doing so.
Let me join your friends in wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm humbled that you all came out for me to celebrate 60 years. I'm happy, I'm humbled. I appreciate you all. All I can say, God Almighty has been wonderful.
And from inside the Niger Delta, it's 60 healthy cheers to Chief Timi Alaibe, who over the years has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to the development of the Niger Delta region.